my vibe. Usually I don't do this often, but since recruiting isn't an option.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kaylin if you're new, and I'm back again with another hair video. Today's video is just going to be about this affordable Amazon headband wig. So if you're interested, keep on watching. The seller on Amazon is called Domiso Hair Company, and they are an affordable brand that sells headband wigs, closure wigs, all kinds of wigs. So go ahead and check them out. Today I'm just going to be showing you guys how to style your headband wig and showing you all the specs about this wig. So the link to the wig will be down in my description box. And yeah, let's go ahead and get into it. These are the Wigs natural curls, like the packaged curls. And you can wear it like this if you want to. And I'm just going to go ahead and show you how it would look if you were to just wear like this. This is not my preference, but I'm just gonna give you guys some options and let you see how it looks if you were planning to buy a wig and don't want to really do too much. You just want to put it on as soon as it comes. Well, you can, and I'm just gonna do it and show you guys, so keep watching. Obviously, the most important part of the headband wig is your edges. So make sure your edges are done, but you don't have to use edges, or you don't have to put your edges out. You can just have it going back if you want to. Whatever floats your boat. So I'm just gonna twist my hair and do this kind of thing and pin it down. Whatever gets you the flattest results is what you want to do. You can even just do 2 braids or a bunch of braids, whatever floats your boat. And I'm gonna use this wig cap. The girl's face gets me every time. Like, why is she making this face? This just helps everything to like be down. This is how we're looking. So now you guys can see the wig, or the headband wig, comes with a clip here, a clip here, and a clip here, and one on the bottom, and then your Velcro strap. The only complaint that I have about these Velcro straps is that they should put more, just so that it can adjust smaller heads, because I have a small head. So this is how I'm gonna put it on. You want to get it out the way so that you can put your headband on. Okay, so now take this, and as you can see, it's too big because this is how tight I would want it. So I would want them to put more Velcro so that it can fit tight to my head. But this is what we're looking like. Now these are the manufacturer curls. Like I said, if you want to wear it like this, you can keep it like this, but I don't know, I don't like it like this. Also, you can adjust your headband. You can push it more back if you want. So these are the curls. If you wanted to add more volume, take my fingers and just run through, and as you can see, the more that I do that, the bigger that it gets. It is cute. She's cute. And look how much of a difference already. This is more me. Now I'm just gonna show you guys some styles that you can do with your headband wig so that it's not just like this. You can obviously wear it in a ponytail. Definitely do like a half up, half down situation with the headband on. That's really pretty. This wig is just super convenient and like the easiest wig ever if you're new to wigs. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and wash the hair so that I can show you guys the true texture of this hair. So this is before. So this is how the hair looks exactly after washing. It's really soft. And as you can see, it just goes back to its texture, but it's not as uniform as it was when you first got it. So I'm gonna let this dry and I'll be back when it's done drying to show you guys more things that you can do with your headband wig. You can also wear it like this if you want to, do the wet look. But I'm gonna let it dry because I don't want to put soaking wet hair on my head. Okay, now that I got the curls to be more natural and the way I like it, I'm just gonna go through and show you guys some cute styles and some ways that I would realistically be wearing this wig if I were to wear it. One, you know, if I'm going out to run errands or going out to just, you know, go to Target or the mall or whatever the case may be, you know, I would just pop it on with a cute scarf, hoops, and I'm ready.
Often, but since recruiting isn't an option due to unusual rain and thunder.
Look two, kind of these two bangs with the bandana in the back and the curls. It's really cute. I don't know where I would wear this one to, probably to run errands too, I don't know. But obviously you can play with how you want the little bangs in the front to be, or maybe take some more out. And yeah, just pop it on with a bandana or any cute scarf and this is a look. Now obviously with this style I would have taken my time and probably swooped it really nicely with some gel and stuff and water, but just for video purposes I just did it kind of fast to give you guys a kind of idea. I do see a lot of people use their own hair, which that is an option as well. You can go ahead and make your own swoop and then put your headband wig on like a half wig and then put your headband on, and that's really cute too. But I just wanted to show you guys that you can use the hair too and make it. Pardon the interruption, but the bangs look so much better like this before I decided to add mousse. And wash me over until my well runs dry. Send all your sins all over me, baby, baby. And rock right up to the side of Okay, so I envisioned this one to come out a little bit more different. I just put bangs in and then like a bun, you know, really cute curly bang. I don't know how to feel about this one. Or the ponytail, which I don't think I like that much. I don't know. Okay. Next. Now, obviously, I would have made it like more neater if I was in an actual mirror, but it was pretty hard doing it in the camera. But I hope you guys get the gist of this. And yeah, my hair would be a little bit more sleeker, but since I put the headband wig on when it was wet, it kind of made my hair frizzy. But I just wanted to show you guys the styles. This is the last one, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Okay, guys, so that wraps up the end of this video. I really highly recommend you try a headband wig if you're new to wigs, and if you want to try something that's super convenient, something that you can just throw on and go, this is the wig for you. It's literally so simple. All you have to do is your edges, and that's it. So if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Let me know which hairstyle you enjoyed the best, and I'll see you guys in my next one.